guys, thanks for viewing this beautiful 2008 Dodge Charger RT 5.7 liter Hemi, and this is an absolute gorgeous vehicle. City of Miami actually owned this vehicle. All I can say is I've never owned a nicer Dodge Charger RT than this one here. Wrapped in Goodyear Eagle tires. It's got the alloy wheels, sport front end there with the fog lights, sunroof, heated seats, AM/FM CD player, clean Carfax, one owner. Look at this car. I mean, it is amazing. The paint is like brand new on this freaking thing. 51,521 miles. 51,521 miles, folks. I guarantee you, you will not be able to find a lower price Dodge Charger RT, even a Dodge Charger SXT for that amount of money than I'm asking for this one here. Let's go ahead and turn it on, show you there's no check engine light on, anything like that. Vehicle is just in absolute great shape. Sunroof works, everything works on this car. All the windows work. Back seat, like no one ever sat in. I'm pretty sure no one ever did. I have the books for it. I have all the maintenance record, Dodge Charger 2008. Let me see if I can find the cities. As you can see here, City of Miami right there. This is City of Miami registration. They owned it, they operated it. This was a government vehicle at one time, and it is absolutely insane how nice this vehicle looks. And let me tell you something, this car is fast, 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 fast. I'm gonna go ahead and get in it now and drive it. If you like this Dodge Charger RT, please give me a call at 954-394-6581. My name is Rick. I sell a lot of these cars. I ship them all across the United States. If you guys know me, you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your subscription. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, because I have great deals on cars. And if I don't have the lowest price in the entire nation, I will not sell the vehicle. So I have the lowest price Dodge Charger RT in the nation for this year, make, model, and miles. If you find one that's lower miles or same amount of miles as mine and a lower price, I'll match that price. I guarantee you won't find it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and post. Again, I do ship these vehicles, so if you guys need me to ship it, you can go ahead and call me and we can discuss shipping charges. I'm very flexible, guys. I'm a great guy. I think I am. If you want to fly into Fort Lauderdale International Airport, come on down. I'll pick you up and we can drive this baby home. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Take care.